Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best golf spike replacement is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of maintaining your golf game. Worn-out spikes lead to a loss of stability and traction, impacting your swing and putting, potentially increasing the risk of injury and ultimately affecting your score. This video will guide you through the process of replacing your golf shoe spikes, ensuring you get the most out of your footwear and maintain peak performance on the course. Number 5. Softspikes Black Widow Cleats. These golf cleats are designed for superior comfort and performance on the course. They're compatible with most golf shoes and offer a flexible, traditional design. Experience the ultimate in comfort with these flexible cleats. The 8-leg design provides excellent stability and support. It fits golf shoes with fast twist 3.0 and tri-lock systems, ensuring a secure and reliable fit during your swing. These cleats feature dynamic cleat technology for enhanced grip and stability. It helps you maintain your footing throughout your round. These are the world's best-selling golf cleats for a reason. Experience the difference for yourself. Installation is simple, though a wrench is sold separately. Each pack contains 18 cleats. What we like. It boasts dynamic cleat technology for superior grip and is the world's best-selling cleat. If you demand top performance and are a serious golfer, this option provides unmatched traction and comfort. Its popularity speaks for itself, making it a reliable choice for any skill level. What people say. These spikes hold up very well and provide solid traction. They use the same quick twist system so I can replace all the spikes within a couple of minutes. Traction is good on the golf course. Not too soft or rigid. Number 4. Softspikes Pulsar Fast Twist 3.0 Cleats. These innovative golf cleats provide superior traction and stability on any course. Experience enhanced performance with every swing. They're designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing fast twist or tri-look golf shoes. Check the reference guide to confirm compatibility. This value pack contains 18 cleats, providing ample replacements for your golf shoes. A wrench is sold separately for easy installation. The flexible legs adapt to any terrain, giving you superior grip and stability. Enjoy enhanced balance and control throughout your game. It reacts to every angle of force for improved ground interaction. Experience a more natural and powerful swing. These cleats are designed with the environment in mind. Enjoy a superior game while minimizing your impact on the course. What we like. These cleats are designed for fast twist systems and are eco-conscious. If you're looking for a sustainable option that provides excellent grip on various terrains, this is it. The improved ground interaction ensures a stable swing, perfect for environmentally aware golfers. What people say. Great product. Get enough for 2 shoes and some extras in case or some issue. But these look great. Finally changed out the old spikes and added these colorful ones to my TW21 and added some color with the green. The new spikes went in relatively easy. They seem very durable and aggressive in traction because they appear a bit stronger than other spikes I have replaced in my shoes. Easy to replace old soft spikes. Fit my FootJoy golf shoes perfectly. Number 3. Softspikes Tool. This innovative tool makes replacing your golf shoes spikes a breeze. Its ergonomic design and multiple bits ensure a smooth and efficient process. The T-handle ratchet fits perfectly in your hand, providing comfort and control during use. You'll appreciate the ease and precision it offers. It comes with everything you need. This includes a ripper bit, a standard bit, and a ratcheting wrench, ready to tackle any spike type. It's designed for both metal spikes and plastic cleats. Easily remove and install your spikes with its powerful bits. Say goodbye to struggling with difficult-to-remove spikes. This tool makes the whole process quick, easy, and efficient. Get the most out of your golf shoes with this essential tool. Maintain optimal performance and comfort on the course. What we like. This kit includes a comfortable T-handle ratchet wrench and bits for both metal and plastic cleats. If you need a versatile tool for easy spike replacement, this is your best bet. Its ease of use makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and those who want to maintain their golf shoes themselves. What people say. The gripper tool really worked fast to remove the stubborn old cleats that were very worn out. The install tool also works great with my Puma cleats. My polymer spikes were out before the shoes, so these tools make it possible to remove the old tattered spikes and replace them with new ones to extend the life of the shoe and keep the traction I need. This thing is great for removing old soft spikes and installing new ones in a fast twist 3 setup. The ripper works fantastic and makes quick work of removal and no issues with the 2-pin attachment to install your spikes. Number 2. Softspikes Ultimate Cleat Kit. Introducing the Softspikes Ultimate Cleat Kit, your key to superior grip and comfort on the course. This kit ensures a perfect fit for your golf shoes. It's designed for golf shoes with pins insert systems. Check the included reference guide to find the right fit for your shoes. Inside you'll find 20 stealth cleats, a ripper wrench, and a 2-prong insertion wrench, everything you need for easy installation and maintenance. Experience unparalleled comfort with its impressively low-profile design. It's designed to keep you comfortable all day long. These cleats provide exceptional traction, giving you the confidence to make every shot. Enjoy superior grip and stability on any terrain. The flexible design ensures ultimate comfort, allowing for natural foot movement and reducing fatigue. Play longer and stronger. Installation is a breeze with the included tools. The ripper wrench and insertion wrench make changing your cleats quick and easy. What we like. It's designed for pin systems and offers the lowest profile available. If you prioritize a low-profile design without sacrificing traction, this is the ideal choice. The exceptional grip and comfortable fit make it perfect for golfers who value both performance and comfort. What people say. Ripper easily popped off my old spikes and the new ones screwed right in no problem. All spikes have stayed in so far too. Spikes work well, the ripper makes it easy to swap out worn-out spikes. The cleats are of good quality. The remove tool works great that I didn't have any issue removing my old cleats that were almost 10 years old. All cleats fit my shoes perfectly and was super easy to put them on. Number 1. Softspikes Ultimate Cleat Kit. It's the Softspikes Ultimate Cleat Kit, the top-selling cleat worldwide. Experience superior performance and grip on the course. This kit features our innovative dynamic cleat technology. It provides unmatched stability and comfort for your game. Get ready to experience superior grip and stability with every swing. It's designed to enhance your performance. The kit comes with 18 durable Black Widow cleats, a ripper wrench for easy installation, and a 2-prong insertion wrench for secure placement. It also includes our Softspikes ripper wrench, making installation and removal a breeze. Enjoy effortless maintenance of your cleats. Upgrade your game today with the Softspikes Ultimate Cleat Kit. Experience the difference that superior traction can make. What we like. This kit includes the world's #1 selling cleat and a ripper wrench. If you want a complete solution with a proven, high-performing cleat and all the necessary tools, this is the one. The convenience of having everything in one kit makes it perfect for busy golfers who value efficiency. What people say. Ripper easily popped off my old spikes and the new ones screwed right in no problem. All spikes have stayed in so far too. Spikes work well, the ripper makes it easy to swap out worn-out spikes. The cleats are of good quality. A little bit on the soft side but they look okay. The remove tool works great that I didn't have any issue removing my old cleats that were almost 10 years old. All cleats fit my shoes perfectly and was super easy to put them on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.